everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you're new here, hi, I am Valen. I make beauty, travel and lifestyle content here on YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So इस बार के recommendation video के लिए I was brainstorming a lot कि क्या नया कर सकते हैं या कुछ नया topic या कुछ नया concept. But I was like, no, let me go back to basics and tell you guys about my OGs, my favorites, my top 20 beauty products that I will forever restock and repurchase if the time comes. There are a few more products that are my OGs and favorites, but I am not mentioning them in this video because of several reasons. Like one, either they are not available on Nykaa. Second, either they are not on heavy discounts or even discounts for that matter. So there was no point in mentioning those products in this video. So this is going to be a mix of affordable and high-end products, but mostly high-end products because I really believe that you get the maximum benefit out of these kind of sales when you invest in high-end products. Because जो affordable वाले products होते हैं वो ऐसे ही कभी ना कभी सेल में आते रहते हैं या उन पे इतने heavy discounts होते नहीं है. मैक्सिमम अगर 1000 रुपए की चीज है तो आपको वो 800 रुपए की मिल जाएगी या 700 की मिल जाएगी. But if it's a Charlotte Tilbury or a YSL or Urban Decay which are already quite expensive and the 20% and 30% discounts on them means a lot. That means you can save up to 1200 rupees, 1500 rupees per product, which is I think a better discount. It's all girl maths, you'll know. As usual, all the product links will be there in the description box below in case you want to shop them out. And I think now I have mentioned all the important key information. So without any delay, grab something to eat or drink and keep your Nykaa cards ready and let's jump right in. So starting with hair care, body care and skin care. First up I have is the Dove Exfoliate Away Micro Polishers 4% Refining Serum plus AHA Body Wash. It's a very long name, but whatever. This is actually good. इसके अंदर छोटे छोटे particles हैं that will actually exfoliate your skin. I use this every single day, but in case you have sensitive skin, you can skip and do that like once in 2 days. Once your skin gets used to it, उसके बाद आप इसको हर रोज लगा सकते हो. And the fact that this smells so refreshing and it has that weirdly cooling sensation on my body that I absolutely love. So I think this will be a restock of mine in every single summer. Maybe not in winters because winters में already हमें cooling sensation मिल जाती है दिल्ली में. I don't need that further along. But this is going to be a staple in every single summer. And this also helps with bumpy skin. If you have strawberry skin like mine, I have strawberry legs and strawberry elbows. Like I don't know if you can see over here, there is a strawberry elbow. And उसके लिए भी ये काफी अच्छा है. It actually works on that as well. Second is this volumizing hair mask by Bare Anatomy. I mean, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you probably know my love for this. This is my 7th or 8th tub, I believe. I use both the shampoo and the hair mask. But I love the hair mask even more because, first of all, this smells incredible. Like, incredible. This is really so good. मैं इसको पूरा दिन भी smell कर सकती हूँ. It's that good. And secondly, not a lot of hair mask work on my thin hair. I have like very thin hair. I have to do a lot if I want to get that volume back, and not a lot of hair masks provide me with that volume because hair masks tend to weigh my hair down. But this will actually work on giving me that volume, giving my hair that volume, and that's the simple and the plain reason why I love this. Next, I have 2 products from Beauty of Joseon. First is this Relief Sun Aqua Fresh Sunscreen. Now, I have a dry skin, but it gets really sweaty in summer. So maybe in summers, we can call it like a combination skin. Dry plus sweaty, that makes it a little bit oily. अगर मुझे summers में makeup करना है, then I can't use a lot of heavy moisturizers, serums. I can't layer skincare products. नहीं तो मेरा makeup पूरा slip होके बह जाएगा with the pasina also added. And that's when this comes to play. This is, oh my god, so good. This is like a moisturizer plus sunscreen for me. My entire summer vacations I took, like I went to Malaysia, I went to Kashmir. I took this along with me because both of those places were really hot and sunny, and we had to walk all day. If you are a tourist, you are supposed to walk all day, and of course आप धूप में रहते हो पूरे time में, and this really helped me along with that journey. Even if I was wearing makeup, I was just using this underneath. There was no pilling, there was no white cast, there is nothing, and this does not even make your makeup very slippery. ये मैंने अभी हाल ही में लिया था, like 2-3 months back in the previous Nykaa sale, and इस Nykaa sale तक तो ये इतना खत्म भी हो चुका है. So you know my love for this, and I'm probably going to restock in the next Nykaa sale. Next up from Beauty of Joseon, I have the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. Oh, so good. If you have pore issues like mine, I have huge pores around my nose area and on my chin as well. And उसमें जब dirt, sweat, gunk इकट्ठा हो जाता है, then I get a lot of issues like my makeup is not smooth, I will get whiteheads, blackheads, and to avoid that thoroughly, I do use this mask like once a week. The times I'm using another mask as well, but once a week I'm using this mask. For the past month or month and a half I've been using this, and I have really noticed the way my pores have been. They're clean, there is no dirt, I clear them properly, and this mask really helps to clarify them. And if you can see, there are chotu particles. So once you've applied this and you want to remove them, you can just scrub it a little bit. उसके साथ आपका साथ ही साथ exfoliation भी हो जाएगा, and I cannot recommend enough. I mean, it's just really good. Next is probably the 100th bottle of L'Oreal lip and eye makeup remover. Now this is never on sale, but I just wanted to recommend this in this video because ये मैं पिछले 4-5 साल से यूज कर रही हूँ, and probably this is my no joke 30th or 35th bottle, and I am sure of it because I've purchased this so many times. I have already 2 bottles empty जो मैंने रखी है मेरे MPs वाले वीडियो के लिए. This is that good, and sometimes during this Nykaa sales it gets on 5% off, but never on discount. But still, this is going to be in this video because this is one of those OGs staple that helps me remove my waterproof mascara, eyeliner. Even if you have heavy lip makeup going on, this will remove that thoroughly in seconds. Like, this is no joke, this is a serious game, and I love this because as a beauty content creator I have to make sure that all the makeup is out of my face before I go to bed, and this helps me do that. Next up is the Wishcare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. You guys probably know about this, like पूरे internet पे ये famous है, and for all the good reasons. This is my 3rd or the 4th bottle, I have to say, and I always restock it either on the Nykaa sale और विशकेयर के खुद के वेबसाइट पे जब buy one get one आता है तब भी मैं इसको ले लेती हूँ. But usually I've bought it during the Nykaa sales only, and that is the reason why this is in this video, because this is a no-brainer. Who doesn't want a hair growth thing going on? And especially अभी जो season चल रहा है, the hair fall season, the bad hair fall season, this is going to be a savior. मैं every alternate day इसको लगाती हूँ. Like जिस दिन मुझे hair wash करना होता है उसके एक दिन पहले, because my hair will get a little bit greasy because already मेरे बालों का greasy होना is very possible. I have noticed the difference in my hair, and that is the reason why I keep on recommending it. It's actually a very game-changing product, and I think this is one of the best selling products of Wishcare all over India. Next is the product जिसको लेने में मेरी हालत टाइट हो गई थी. It's the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I bought the shampoo, the conditioner, and the Olaplex hair oil जो वहां पड़ा है, I guess. Like, I bought all the 3 things together and कुछ 8,000 का बिल बन गया था. तो मैं जैसे I was so shocked. I was like, oh my god. And I was like, यार इसके इतने पैसे क्यों दे रही हूँ मैं? ये plain simple सा प्लास्टिक बॉटल है, इसके ऊपर एक पेपर चिपका हुआ है, Olaplex लिखा हुआ है. But when I saw that they have written patented technology, that means it is one of the most unique formulas in shampoos. You will not find it anywhere. So when I started using it, I was expecting already a lot from it. कि भाई इतना कुछ तो होना चाहिए भाई, 3,000 का शैम्पू, कुछ तो होना चाहिए. And था. It is very good. First of all, I can't believe, like usually when I take a shampoo, it's like itna sara shampoo for, because my hair length is like till here. But when I use this, I only take a little bit. Like itna sa bhi lungi na, mere pure balon mein itne अच्छे से lather करता है वो. I genuinely do like it. And next, this has a very unique scent. It's lemony, citrusy, fresh. But it's not artificial. मतलब इसमें कोई chemically या artificial feeling नहीं है. It's very refreshing. It's very weird to tell you guys like how this smells, but it smells very refreshing, and I can see why this went viral. The formula is actually great. It makes my hair shiny, soft, एंड जिस भी दिन मैं लगाती हूँ ना उस दिन मुझे इतना अच्छा फील होता है मेरे बालों में. I don't know how to explain this, okay? I don't know how, and it's stronger than ever also. I mean, it's actually repairing itself. I can no further see split ends nahi hai mere, kuch bhi nahi hai mera. I mean, I genuinely thank this shampoo for that. Next up is the Dalba First Spray Serum. Now, this is genuinely a game-changing product in your makeup routine. Okay, this is a skincare product, but you need to use it before you start your makeup in your like prep step of the makeup. This is going to make your skin so dewy, glowy. मतलब पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि ये glow आया कहाँ से. You can also use this, of course, without makeup as well. Just you spray this on your face and you're good to go. But even if you use this with makeup, your makeup is going to be like, oh my god, to the next level. This is the best pre-makeup step you can achieve if you want that glowy, dewy skin, and this is very hydrating as well. So be careful, don't spray too much, else your makeup can get very slippery. Use just 3 or 4 sprays on your face and you are set. Next, I have the DU in my defense moisturizer. I was about to speak the whole long name, but I realized कि बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा है, so let me just call it a moisturizer. This is a moisturizer that I love to use before makeup. This is not my everyday moisturizer. I don't use this every single day, but whenever I'm doing my makeup, I am using this. I have a sweaty, dry skin. That means my skin needs hydration, long-lasting hydration for all the makeup to sit on. But it should also be very lightweight and non-slippery so that my makeup glides on smoothly and doesn't bahao, like पानी जरा बह ना जाए. उसके लिए I need to use the right balance of moisturizer that has a lot of hydration but is also very lightweight and makes the makeup sits very beautifully. And this, my friend, does that for me. And this is my second bottle, I guess. Yes, मैंने कल ही या परसों ही एक खत्म किया है, वो वहाँ पड़ा है. I already had a backup, so yes, this is that good, and I will forever repurchase this for my makeup. Next up I have is the Indie Wild Chumpy Hair Oil. This is the bigger size. इसका जो छोटू सा वर्जन है वो इतना सा आता है, and I use that, completely finish it, and then I moved on to the bigger bottle. This is very hydrating, very nourishing, but the main thing is ये चिप चिप नहीं करता है मेरे बालों में. Like आपको जो फील होता है ना वो चिपचिपापन, वो मेरे बालों को बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है. And that's the reason why I love this even the most. This changed my hair oiling game. अब I look forward to doing my hair oil, the weekly hair oiling that I do, and it's so good. And especially the way this smells, that fresh jasmine मोगरा वाली जो फीलिंग आती है ना, बहुत ज्यादा कामिंग है माइंड को, बहुत ज्यादा. मैं इससे बोलती हूँ आदित्य को कभी कभार मेरे बालों में चंपी करते हैं, मुझे मजा आ जाता है, लाइक रियली बहुत मजा आता है इसको यूज करके. दिस इज वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग, स्ट्रेंथन्स योर हेयर रूट्स. आई यूजुअली put a lot on my hair roots and then just take a few and then massage it over my lengths, but mainly I use it more for my roots and I absolutely love it. And ये नायका के सेल के टाइम पे आई गेस ये कुछ 2000 रुपए का, ये जो सबसे बड़ा बॉटल है इनका, ये 2000 रुपए का, विच इज लाइक अ साइज ऑफ माई पाम. एंड जब ये सेल आता है तो मेरे ख्याल से कुछ 1500 के आसपास हो जाता है, विच इज अ प्रीटी गुड डील फॉर दिस. Lastly, I have a very recent try of mine, and just imagine कि ये इस वीडियो में है, that means कि ये कितना ज्यादा अच्छा होगा. This is the Schwarzkopf Oasis Plus Volumizing Mousse. This is what I have used yesterday on my hair, and उसके बाद मैंने blow dry and styling किया था अपने बालों को, and my blow dry is still very much there. मेरे को डाइसन से करने में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी बिकॉज माई हेयर वॉज वेरी थिन, इट वॉज वेरी स्ट्रेट एंड सिल्की, तो काफी ज्यादा कर्ल्स या डाइसन का ब्लो आउट स्टे नहीं कर पाता था मेरे बालों में टिल द टाइम आई ट्राइड दिस. Now not only the curls stay or the little waves stay, but it's also giving me a lot of volume in my hair, which is what I look forward to. अब मेरे बालों में actually volume आ गया है and it is because of this. But the only con I find is इसको use करने के बाद बाल थोड़े से rough हो जाते हैं. कोई भी और मूस प्रोडक्ट के साथ मेरा ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रहा है, बट स्पेशली इसके साथ मेरे बाल काफी रफ एंड ड्राई हो जाते हैं. सो आई लाइक टू यूज द Olaplex स्टाइलिंग बॉन्डिंग ऑयल to just give a little bit of shine and manage them a little better, but actually this is good. Firstly, I want to talk about these elf gripping primers. क्या आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने दोनों को खाली कर दिया है, like finished. absolutely finished. इसमें थोड़ा सा बचा है, maybe once or twice that I'm gonna use this, but it is finished and I love them so much. I also have that third variant which is the matte gripping primer and उसको मैं अभी use कर रही हूँ, but both of these are empty. And that's the reason why मैंने इसी सेल में इनको restock भी कर लिया था, because these are my favorites. I have been using these for the past year, a year and a half, and उसके साथ ही मैंने दोनों प्राइमर खत्म कर दिए, because these are my ride or die. I have to travel, I'm carrying this. I have to attend a wedding, I'm using this. Any single time जब मैं confuse होती हूँ कि क्या use करना है, मुझे पता नहीं है, मेरा हाथ automatically इन पे ही जाता है, because I know these are going to make my makeup last super duper long. My makeup sits beautifully on top, like, and the foundation like sits really nicely on top of it. I generally don't know what else does a primer is supposed to do. I love this. Next up, I have a very viral product, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Oh my god, this is so freaking good. Like, can you see I have already hit pan on this? Of course, it's that good. I use it only on special occasions, okay? I don't use it every single day. ये कोई every single day use करने वाला जितना सस्ता product नहीं है. It's very expensive, but I use it on my special occasions, like if it's a wedding or a party or an event where I have to make my जो वो अचानक से एक flawless वाली feeling आएगी ना, that will be visible, that will be quite visible, and that is the reason why a lot of people are raving about this. If you want something even better, I'm just giving an option of this. This will not count in the top 20, but I'm giving an option of this which is equally good, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Soulmates Face Palette. And if you want to try out the Charlotte Tilbury का जो ये actually flawless finishing powder है वो, plus the blush, okay, plus the blush formula, you can get this palette. First of all, tell me how cute is this? You get the flawless finishing powder and the blush formula both in here, and of course the very beautiful packaging. I mean, first of all, look at this packaging. You are going to die for this. It's so freaking beautiful, and there is like tiny heart embossments over here. This is going to be my first purchase that I only bought for the packaging. I was obsessed with the packaging the moment I saw it. I never do this with any other thing. I'm very careful with my money, okay? I don't spend it recklessly, but this was just one of those products, you know, one of those products. Its packaging itna zyada sundar and luxe hai, and it's not plastic, by the way. It's very heavy. It's really good. Secondly, you get 13 grams of product in here, and in this one you get 8 grams of product, but for 8 grams you're paying 3,700 right now after discount, and for this you can pay 4,000 rupees and get both these products. So I think it's a pretty good deal, but if you just want the powder, long lasting one, you can of course get that, and if you want the powder and the blush to carry, this is an awesome bed. It's so beautiful, and the formula is the same, so you can just check it out. Next up, again, I have two separate recommendations, but it will count as one only. If you are a foundation person and if you have weddings coming up, if you're a bride-to-be or a bridesmaid or anyone who likes foundations, you are going to love the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. This was also my wedding foundation. My makeup artist used this on me because I told her how much I love this, and she only uses this foundation, and I had no problem with it because this was also in my wedding makeup kit. So good. So freaking good. The finish this gives is absolutely beautiful. It's semi-matte, it's not dewy, but it's not matte. It's right there in between, like how a makeup skin is supposed to be. And you will see a lot of makeup artists using this because actually this is that good. This is medium coverage, but you can build it up to full coverage in case you have pigmentation, acne marks or acne or whatever it is. But this is so freaking good. You need to have this in your kit, and especially during the Nykaa sales, it gets even better. Next up in the same category, if you are not a foundation person, you are just a skin tint person, or you just want something very natural, you're not into the full coverage thing, then you can go for the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour tinted serum. Oh my god, I have used this entire summer. Like I said before, summers mein mera skin ho jata hai sweaty plus dry, so I need something that is hydrating but can be also sweat resistant, needs to be waterproof, sweat proof, transfer proof, and all of that jazz. And this was it. When it first came out, I reviewed this. Honestly, I bought this with my own money and put out a review that this is actually good. I loved the way my skin was looking, and then the brand reached out to me and they wanted to do a collab. So it was like, सोने पे सुहागा वाली बात है, because I already love this and मैंने पूरे समर में इसको यूज किया है. Hands down one of the best skin tints ever. I use this on the go. मेरे को events में जाना था जहाँ पे outdoor events था, humidity थी बहुत ज्यादा. I don't know why brands do this, but tha, and I was just using this. Even during all my summer vacations, I only carried this. It is that good. The finish is very natural. It has a very light coverage. You will not even feel it's there, and it's pretty lightweight on the skin. It blends so beautifully onto the skin. It's super natural, and yeah, I don't think you need anything else. Next up, I have to talk about this elf brow pencil. मैंने इसी सेल में दो खरीद लिए हैं, बिकॉज बाय वन गेट वन चल रहा था इनके ऊपर. आई वाज लाइक आई एम ऑलवेज लूजिंग आउट ऑन दिस. मेरे पास एक और नया था, आई हैव लॉस्ट इट, सो आई क्विकली बॉट अनदर वन. ये खाली है, ओके ये खाली हो चुका है बिकॉज आई फिनिश्ड इट. आई बॉट अनदर, आई कांट फाइंड इट एनीवेयर, सो आई हैड टू रीस्टॉक देम बिकॉज I can't live without these. I cannot survive without these. I am someone who spends like almost 20 seconds on my brows, okay? 10 seconds each brow and I am done. I don't have very thin eyebrow कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़े, and I do not have a lot of bushy brow also. I just have some sparse areas that I like to fill in and I am good to go. And this does the job perfectly. This is so quick to use. It is pigmented and it is also waterproof, so it is pretty long lasting on my face as well. So there is nothing else I need in the world, so this is going to be it. Next up, I have two products from the same category, so again we will count it as one because both are for very different reasons. First is this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I use this to set and melt my makeup into one. So बीच के steps में जब आप makeup कर रहे होते हो, so for example you've done your liquid foundation, then you've powdered it, then you are going to set it and all of that, and बीच में I use this twice, like once after I've done with my powders and stuff, and secondly lastly जब मुझे सब कुछ एक बार finish कर देना है lock करके, उससे पहले मैं ये use करती हूँ, और उसके बाद I use a fixing spray as well. So what this will do is this will literally melt your makeup, take away all the powderiness and the cakiness from your makeup and just make it look like very, ooh, wow, flawless, that sense. So this is great for that purpose. And agar aap dekh chuke ho, I have emptied it because I use it very rigorously. मैं हर मेकअप के टाइम पे जब भी मेरे मुझे पता है मैं काफी ज्यादा मैट मेकअप करने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज इन वेडिंग्स दैट हैज टू बी वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, सो आई कांट डू अ वेरी डूई मेकअप. तब मेरा मेकअप काफी मैट होता है, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई एम यूजिंग दिस. लाइक बिफोर यूजिंग माई स्वेट प्रूफ एंड वाटर प्रूफ सेटिंग स्प्रेज, फिक्सिंग स्प्रेज, आई एम गोइंग इन विद दिस टू मेक श्योर दैट माई मेकअप लुक्स लाइक अ स्किन एंड नॉट अ प्लास्टिक ऑन माई फेस, राइट? This is so good. First of all, the mist is super fine. It's so good. Next up, again in the fixing spray category, I have the Urban All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Now this is not makeup setting spray. This I use as a fixing spray because this actually makes my makeup long lasting. This is the last step I will do in my entire makeup, but I don't use this during my summer times because उसमें मुझे पता है कि I need a sweat proof and waterproof setting spray at that time. I use this in winters, in Delhi winters when my skin is super dry, but I need to make my makeup long lasting. In those times I use this. This really makes my makeup super long lasting, like an all-nighter. It's the perfect name, and I've seen a lot of bridal makeup artists using this as well, and that's the time I actually got influenced and bought this, and it's been working great for me. Here we are coming towards the end of the video, so for second last I have the Nykaa Super Light Mascara, and I got recently very obsessed with this because काफी बार ऐसे दिन होते हैं when I'm not wearing any makeup or I'm just doing a very minimal makeup. And in those days मुझे ऐसा वो ऐसा वेब स्पाइडर वेब वाला lashes पसंद नहीं है. At that time I also want something very natural, very nice and still makes my lashes very lengthening and voluminous, and those times I could not find anything till the time I tried this Nykaa's mascara. It is genuinely so good. I cannot tell you. It's one of the most underrated products that people should know about more. I am forever going to love this. It's really good. I cannot, I seriously swear by it. It's so good. Lastly, I have the Kiro quads. Now, every quad comes in 4 shades. Of course, quad means 4. So, every quad comes in 4 shades. And I have the shade Ultimate Quad and Supreme Quad. I recently repurchased them. They are just so good. Both of these come in with like 4 nude shades each, with like pink nudes and brown nudes and peach nudes. And जब भी मुझे travel करना होता है, I'm just carrying this. I mix and match and I am thoroughly done. And of course, we all know the quality of Kiro lipsticks. They are genuinely very good and very long lasting on my lips also. And that's the reason why I cannot go wrong with these. If I'm carrying this, I do not need any other nude lip shade for me. These carry like all the 8 shades of nude. So that is it for this video. My top 20 Nykaa hot pink sale recommendations that I swear by, and I will forever keep repurchasing or restocking these whenever the time is right. And yeah, and I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you spotted any of your favorites. इनके अलावा भी I will keep on giving recommendations, but that will come on my Insta story. So follow me there if you still haven't. And yeah, that was it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.